Good morning. Happy Friday, boys and girls. Whatever you identify yourself as. It is 2019. We must observe anything and everything, I guess. Even though science says different. Anyway, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, because Instagram feeds my YouTube channel, not vice versa, I picked this up last night in the Hamptons. This is about an hour ride each way. Now, I didn't plan on it that way. This guy had in his ad that I could pick it up in the Hamptons or Roosevelt. So the plan was, because I am in the middle, we were just going to meet in the middle. I don't know, something happened with his truck, and that couldn't happen. So I had to go pick it up, which worked out better, because that means I got it at a better price. So I'm really not complaining. Yes, the Sat Rory is started. Even though it is Friday, I have a lot of things to do. I have the opportunity to pick up another Husqvarna snowblower, and as you guys know, I have no trouble selling those, so I am going to pick that up. In the meantime, I'm going to unload this out of the Saturn. I'm going to start the Restyle on it, because I figure while I go pick this up, paint and dry, and blah, 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 blah. Keep it moving. So, I'll give you a good idea of how I get things in and out of this thing. Remember, it's a hoopty. Everybody should own one. That was easy. Oh, you know what? We'll just put this back right here. Because guess what? It's like race car. You know? Quick, faster. So anyways, let's get to this thing. 24 inches. And let's see what size engine we have here. It's 179cc engine. This guy had a pickle starting it, and I was so happy. So I was going to get it cheaper, but persistence, he got it started. So let's see, even though I rocked and wrenched it back and forth, let's see if we'll start. Take you guys off the stand. So let's talk about this machine. You got a 24-inch clearing path, right? 4 augers that are serrated, 4 separate shear pins, no grease fittings, typical gearbox, okay? Skid shoes, nice and wide, nice and long. Poly skid shoes so they don't scratch up the driveway. They are double-sided to double the life of the shoe. And this one here has it stuck farther out so the skid shoe will take the beating instead of the machine. But somehow, someway, because these are made of tin, they're bent. This does have provisions for drift cutters. We have our shovel to get the stuck snow out, but we will modify the impeller, so we won't need that anymore. typical snow hog tires. These are not deep V-grooved. That's okay. They will work. You have your crank handle assembly to turn this back and forth. Manual control over here. So that means this snowblower is not ideal for a snow cab because you need to get out of the snow cab to adjust snow throw. We have a stator here which powers your light, which is pretty nice. Believe it or not, it is bright because I picked it up at night. Let's see if the oil is nice and clean. 179cc engine. It is missing the fuel filter, which is not a big deal. This is your Chinese Powermore / SUA 179cc engine. Pull start, electric start, on off, choke, key switch, and primer. Back here, we have 2 speed forwards, 2 speed forwards. I'm there. Wow. 2 speed reverse, 6 speed forward. And it is labeled auger and drive. Now let's see if this has auger lock, which I doubt that it doesn't. Okay, drive down, auger down, and that release does not have auger lock, so you need to use 2 hands at all times. And that's really it. Not a bad machine. Not a bad machine. Remember, anything beats shoveling. Now just remember, if you guys follow my Snow Tech build, you will get a 208cc engine on this machine, but on Arian's, put them on a 20th machine. So that should give you an idea of what that machine's capable and what that machine is exactly going to do. So nonetheless, I'm going to pull the tires off, throw some paint on them, and got to go run some errands. Alright? Alright guys, so as I was doing this video, I kind of like, wait a minute, I've kind of done this already, per se, through a different couple of machines. So to make it nice and easy, right, I cut all that nonsense out. If you want to know how to modify your impeller, if you want to know how to service your machine, go through my channel, alright? I'm going to try and post some links at the end of the video. But in the end, this is a quick, easy flip. Bought it, restyled it, upgraded it, and put it up for sale. So I actually have a buyer coming in on Monday for, actually, I'm sorry, Tuesday, because Monday will not be around. But this whole thing, 20 minutes, right? Gonna make some real good money on it. All right, guys? So don't forget, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And don't forget, check me out on Instagram. All right, guys, later.